Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix mouse moving on its own in Windows 10 or 11. So to resolve this problem, press Windows key plus R. Now type here main.cpl. So type this command and click on OK. So you will see this mouse properties. So here click on pointers. So here click on pointer options and make it in middle size. Then apply. Then click on OK and restart your system. This method not work, so again click on pointer options and unselect this box, hide pointer while typing and click on apply and click on OK and restart your system. So this is the way you can fix and resolve this mouse problem. Thanks for watching.